Welcome back to another TD Engine video. In this video, I'm going to go over how to install TD Engine all-in-one on Docker. Okay, so how do we do that? Well, there's two pages where you can find the information. For more specific information, go to TD Engine all-in-one installation overview and pick the version. Today we're going to be focusing on Docker, so navigate over to all-in-one on Docker. Okay, so there is also another place to find the run command we'll be using today, and that'll be in the TD Engine Download Center. Just simply click all-in-one and pick the version, and the platform is Docker, and depending on your architecture, pick the run command. So if you have ARM, do that, or x64, do that. Okay, now in the all-in-one Docker deployment guide, the specifics point out the environmental requirements. So, for instance, what Docker desktop version you need or the Docker Engine version you need. For example, I'm on Mac OS, but someone on Windows can use Docker Engine, and Linux, you kind of have to use Docker Engine, right? But Docker Desktop also works. The recommended configuration for the cores, and you can easily check your Docker version just to make sure you have the right version ready to go. Okay, to actually run the deployment, go ahead and copy this command. And that's all you really need. Once you do that, you open the terminal. Also, one thing to point out is it's better if you have admin permissions on the account that you're doing it on. Go ahead and click Command V, hit Enter, and you should see a screen something like this. Once you see that screen, go ahead and click Enter. And now we're going to let that command run. I'll see you after this is done. Make sure you go through all the prompts. Right now we're just configuring the URLs. And you could slowly start to see the different prompts, so you'll need to click yes or no based on those prompts. And then you could see the volumes being created. If you want to see this kind of in real time, you'll check over here. Okay, now when I check my Docker desktop, I should be able to see these running commands. Keep in mind, you can also use Docker Engine to check, which you'll do through the same CLI tools. Now you'll see the containers slowly start to come back online. While it's being created, you can track the progress here, and this process should take you around 5 to 10 minutes in real time to do. So we're giving it a second here, letting everything kind of start up. Everything is healthy. And on first start, don't worry if this is kind of a little bit of a longer process. That's okay. If it's your first time installing Docker, this is normal. Okay, we should have reached a screen like this. Now, where do I find the link to that? I would just look for localhost 6042. Here you enter an email address. I'll enter mine. You guys make sure to enter your own. Enter a unique password to log in. And once you get to this sort of screen, that's when you know you're done. Okay, so follow the prompts on the Activate IDMP screen. And one more thing that you have to do is also agree and activate our free license, right? Our free license is free to use for 5,000 tags forever. And it's something that we're really proud of, and we hope will help you in your endeavors in this space. And now you've successfully activated TD Engine's all-in-one package on Docker. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. And also, if you're having trouble, always hop onto this page. It provides a good overview of everything that you're looking for. There will be a link to this in the description of this video, or you can also visit TD Engine's Download Center right here to directly get to the all-in-one manual. Thank you.